Okay, part 3 for this series, where I'm discussing some mistakes made by people in their 30s and the 40s. Actually, these things are for any age, but 30s and the 40s is that, the target group that we deal with a lot. So that's what I'm focusing on. But the thing is, the world is changing a lot. All this technology, like jobs going overseas. When you're in a job, once you get a decent job and you're established in that job, people start to relax a bit, or they get complacent, and they do not want to learn any more new skills. Now in this economy, or in this new world, because of internet and a lot of other things, technology, a lot of jobs are not going to be here in 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years. So a lot of people are making this mistake right now, that they're not upskilling themselves every day, or they're not trying a second skill, that god forbid, if their skill is not in demand anymore, and their job is not there anymore, what do they have to fall back on? Do they have any other skills? So these days there's a lot of opportunity for you to have a secondary income. You just have to search the one that is working for you. There's lots of options available. So you need to be able to start acquiring an extra skill. It could be just doing a new class, or reading a set of books over a period of time. Just spend maybe 2-3 hours every day in developing a new skill. It could be sales, it could be online marketing, it could be e-commerce, it could be like some other skill that you really like, whatever you are passionate about, selling cars, for example, or something like that. So work on that. Think about this. In 10 to 20 years, the jobs, normal jobs that we are going to have, are not going to be there. You can already see Amazon and other companies like that, they're doing deliveries via robots, and all those things are going to definitely come, and they are coming, and to be honest. So our job then becomes is to we need to find ways to supplement our income, and also that will help us in, if we don't have a job in the future, or our skill is no more required, we have some other skill that we can fall back on. And the second big advantage that can have is, when you go and apply for a loan, let's say you onto your second or your third investment property, and the banks can't service your loan for the job that you have, or existing jobs that you have. But then if you have a supplement income, it could only be like $500 a month or $2,000 a month. That income will actually help you service a loan, provided you can prove it and it's legit. You will increase your borrowing capacity. So that is something really, really deep, and you should think about that. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was insightful. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.